I already did my complete face. I'm just blending out my contour. Okay, y'all, so while I'm baking, I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush, and this is gonna be a simple eyeshadow look, okay? A black and white eyeshadow look. You can wear this on New Year's. It's a simple look. So we're gonna start with first placing that black on our outer V. Go in with this fluffy brush right here. I'm gonna just use my Juvia's Place Masquerade. I'm gonna take Zulu. So I am placing Zulu right on top of the black eyeshadow, and I'm sort of blending it into my inner crease. I do not want to take the black and blend it into inner crease. The black is going to stay on the outer V area. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. I'm just going back and forth into the black and Zulu, and I'm bringing Zulu all the way up kind of towards my brow bone area, so I can have a transition. So that's what I'm building, and I'm fusing the black eyeshadow right into Zulu. After I get finished blending out and I got it how I want, I'm going to place my concealer on my lid. Going into Lyric Cosmetics Slay-Doh palette using Snowflake, I'm going to place that on my lid halfway. And also I'm going to take the glitter collection and I'm going to use the white glitter to top. And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, so yeah. This is super easy. Anybody can do this, y'all. And I hate doing my makeup with light colors on because it's so unprofessional. And if y'all haven't noticed, I am a little bit clumsy, so y'all pray for me doing my makeup in this light pink shirt. Yeah. So far, I only got a little bit of my setting powder on there, and I did the rest of my face, y'all. You know, the rest of my face is done, but. Big year for a lot of people. I mean, you know what I mean? People are just like letting go of toxic friends, you know, family members, all that, letting go all that toxic. Well, I'm letting it go. I done blocked so many people off of my social media. Okay, so my eyes are finished, you guys, and this is a simple, you could wear, this is like a any occasion look. You could wear this for New Year's Eve. It got the nice amount of sparkle in there, or if you want to be extra and dramatic and just add a lot of glitter on there, then that's fine too. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the matte book and I'm going to deepen up that contour and just make it look just a little natural. I'm just taking the first color inside the matte book. I want it to be pretty soft. I hope everybody businesses flourish for 2020, okay? Speaking prosperity and abundance in y'all life, all right? For everybody. I hope that you guys got rid of all toxic people out of your life, all right? No more toxic. No more. We're not carrying that over in 2020. That's what we're not doing. I'm just gonna use my Milani blush as usual. So I'm just gonna take a regular brush and I'm just gonna blend everything out. For my lips, I'm using Lyric Cosmetics red liquid lipstick in the color 20. Stayed this long, you tuning in to the best part of this here video. So I've been getting a lot of requests about this wig, y'all. I done had this wig for so long and I have kept it up by not really wearing her or bringing her out at all like that unless I have somewhere to go where I just want to be just fancy, okay? So this is the perfect wig to wear for New Year's. Glam H Boss. This is a luxurious and glamorous wig. You gotta bring it out for New Year's, okay? New Year's Eve, my bad. You gotta bring it out for New Year's. Can y'all see me really good? Let me sit up. Zury Hollywood, girl. This who this by. So, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below as to where you can purchase this wig, but we finna pop this baby on. Take it out the box. I'm surprised I still had it in the box all pretty, y'all. Now, I had to recurl this wig. This is not like a lace front. So this is like a lace edge. So if you want to pull out some baby hair around your perimeter, that's fine. You don't have to. You got your standard two, you got your two combs up here. You got a comb in the back as well. But since I had this wig for a minute, y'all, don't judge me now, cause you know it's looking a little bit kind of crusty a little bit. Okay, so we finna try her on. And when I tell y'all, this wig, sorry y'all, I'm just looking in this camera over here. Look, let me take that off before I mess my wig up. Okay, so this is the perfect wig that you can wear or you could actually like twist it and you could wear it, you could wear the part, I don't know, you could kind of wear it like that, but I don't know, y'all. It's cool, but Alright, so this is the end of the look. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think of this look. Is this like a New Year's Eve look or what? You know what I mean? Like, what y'all think? Did I give y'all just a little bit of sparkle? Just a little bit. So I've been busy for the last few days, and I'm gonna be busy exactly on New Year's Eve because I'm working. We're trying to go into 2020 booked and busy. Okay, that's what we're doing. So for this wig, I did curl it like a couple times because like I said, I did have this wig for a long time, and it was getting kind of fuzzy on the ends. So y'all know me, I used to do hair. Y'all know me, I used to do hair, so you know, it's nothing to go ahead and, you know, hook up them curling irons and curl the ends of this hair. So yeah, this wig is about 24, let me see, I'd say about 24 to 26 inches. Okay, and this is the perfect hair for like going out on a date or New Year's Eve. Okay, you got your nice pretty romance curls. It's nice and, like, you know, ladylike, pairing it with a nice cute red lip. And yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all some side and back view action. Let me see, let me just stand a little bit back. This is the back. This is the other side. This is not a lace wig. This is a part. Okay, so if you want to pull out baby hairs, you can pull out your baby hairs from like your own hair. This does not come with baby hairs. And yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to where you can purchase this wig down below. I think I got it from Sister Wigs. So yeah. Okay, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think of this look and this wig. Bye for now.